illustrates you the process of finding and installing jamovi software. This jamovi software is the statistical software, very good alternative for a paid kind of statistical software like SPSS. So for that purpose you go to jamovi.org. This is really a kind of open source open statistical software for the desktop and cloud. So I will illustrate you how you can check the options. You're not going to the cloud. Cloud has a different scheme, but this is a desktop, so you can click on the desktop, and in the desktop you will also find the responsive report for you. I mean platform responsive. The download for Windows already. If you have a Mac computer, there will be download for Mac, so you can download one, the current version, the latest feature. So you can simply click on this and the download process appears here this way. Once the download process gets over, then you can install that. Jamovi installation in my computer is completed. Now I can find that in the recently installed software. Once I open this, it will start. Well, jamovi is now ready and open. So this is a kind of open source software and very good alternative of SPSS. As I have already told, you can find start variables, defining variables, edit variables, and compute, transform, add, delete, filter options. And also you can go to the data and enter the data here. It's like a spreadsheet. And also you have a data setup and compute, transform, weightage, add, delete, multiple options here. Also paste, copy, cut options, and you have also analysis. The analysis you can find here is the exploration here, descriptive, scatter plot, Pareto plot, and the same way t-test, all three type of t-test available. The ANOVA, you can see one way ANOVA, and then also other different type of ANCOVA, MANCOVA, and so on, and also non-parametric alternatives of ANOVA. And also you can see in the regression, correlation matrix, partial correlation, linear regression, and also other logistic regressions. And in the frequencies you can see the different options of frequencies and also factors. And you also can find here reliability analysis, principal component analysis, exploratory factor analysis, and confirmatory factor analysis. Then you also can go to the plots and see the different plot options for you, and here also, and also you do have a edit. This edit will help you to edit all these areas, result area editing options like bold, italic, and other options, right? And now when you have analyze limited options of analysis you like more, then you can go to add module and go to the jamovi library, and this will load all available modules for different analysis and operations. There are many, so you can use one of them that is required for your statistical analysis. In this sense, this is really robust, open alternative for other different type of softwares for statistical analysis. When users struggle with the paid version of the statistical software, so this is the best. You also can find here more options of site loading and installing. These uses are language, so you also can develop module and install for your customized use. In my next video, I will speak about basic use of variables and also the analysis.